Dog rescued from slaughter.
So as you can see, I'm at the slaughterhouse. This dog is next for slaughter and being annoyed by this chicken. And so this is where they slaughter the dogs and kill them. And as you can see, it's the same. Alright, so I'm here at the slaughterhouse for the dogs. And this is a dog right here that was just killed. And they cut the head off. So this dog here you just got the other day. How long have you had this dog?
Oh, 2 days.
Did you take from a family house?
Yeah.
Someone's family?
No, it's wild.
Be careful.
It's wild.
It can bite you.
Bites?
Yeah.
So this one is going to be used for slaughter today or tomorrow? You were going to kill.
Teacher tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow?
Ah, yebu kala mara ko ken hospital.
But it's a wild dog.
Wild?
It's wild.
Scared too. I think she'll let me pick her up. I think it should be fine. I could put her in my car.
But I can try no smart.
Ma baba
We
li.
don't need to tie them up.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I don't think she'll bite me. She's acting like she's starting to trust a little bit. She would
But
have already tried to snap. I think she's
Remember,
wild, but she's sweet.
Ala yebu mbila ta instead.
but I'm here.
Lets me come.
I
Yeah,
believe
see,
you
she's
come
going
again.
to
I can't tambar back a meeting. Cut one and leave one.
Right. Cut this one.
If you get knife like that, no, you will understand.
This is better than cutting her throat. It's cutting this instead.
See, little back.
Yeah, I think she's gonna try to bite me. Yeah, good. See? Very good. Okay, I'm gonna put her in the car. And here is where you cook them. She would have ended up being cooked tomorrow. Now she's with me. Okay. That makes me happy. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, this dog, very lucky. This here is a private slaughterhouse. Hiding for now, but you won't be hiding for long. Nice.